Pray. You are so funny, husband.
Okay. Try this again.
Pull your shirt out from underneath it.
Try it.
No, the other way. Oh, what is that? A rubber band?
Oh, and I missed the whole thing. Stink.
I'm getting better.
Yes, you are. Look, watch this, Mama. Watch it. Hold on.
Hey, Nate, you could have twice the amount of practice time if you just turn around and try practicing on your way back down the hall. There you go.
Is he having fun?
Yeah. Mommy.
Believe it or not, they make Heelys and Tully size shoes.
Oh, yeah.
And I was like, I don't think I'd put my 2-year-old in Heelys, but...
Oh, he'll probably whip everybody's butt at it if he does.
My batteries are dead.
Oh.
Because I just like to scrape them. Look, watch this.
Here you go.
Hey, you're pulling up how to Heelys so they can see it. Pull up how to Heelys so they can do it, please. That's cool. Watch this. Watch this. What time is it? Just go watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Get the water goes right through it.
Where is it? How do I heat?